Hello. A remarkably warm weekend with 21 Celsius recorded at Porthmadog, the latest 21 Celsius has ever been recorded in the UK. This week, temperatures trend downwards, only closer to average, nowhere near as cold as we're seeing over the next few days across North America, this intense cold wave affecting much of the continent. Why is that important for us? Well, it is going to affect our weather in a roundabout way. We've got that cold weather mixing with warmer subtropical air, and of course that fuels a powerful jet stream which emanates from North America, moves across the Atlantic, helps to bring areas of low pressure in from the Atlantic and affect the UK over the next few days. But you'll notice as we pan across to the UK that we're on the end of this storm track, with that jet stream halted in its tracks by a large area of high pressure over Scandinavia. And as a result, these lows, as they arrive, they're going to stall in the North Sea and bring some persistent rain to the northeast of the UK over the next few days in particular, and strong winds with those lows squeezing against the high, especially through the North Sea and for the Northern Isles in particular. So a windy week for many and an unsettled week. We'll see further spells of rain followed by showers, followed by further bands of rain, and a wet start on Tuesday for much of the UK, especially central areas. It looks like southern counties of England, South Wales will see some particularly soggy conditions, 30-40 millimetres in places. Then the focus for that heavy rain pushes northeastwards during the day, so that it's eastern Scotland, northeast England that sees the wettest weather by the end of the afternoon, and that rain accumulating up to 50-60 millimetres over some southern slopes of the Grampians. That could cause some issues for Aberdeenshire, Angus, Perth and Kinross, and so yellow rain warning in force for there. The winds strengthening as well, gales for the Northern Isles. But brighter skies follow for the west, a lovely afternoon for Northern Ireland, and some sunny spells for Wales and the southwest, although here we'll see the next area of showers push in by the end of the afternoon and some lively downpours, the odd rumble of thunder as well. Temperatures trending downwards though over the next few days, looking at a degree or two lower compared with Monday, 13 or 14 in the south, 11 or 12 further north. Still a little above average for the time of year, mind you. Now, Wednesday starts off perhaps with some fog for Northern Ireland, but otherwise some bright spells and further showers coming in. Initially, southern and southwestern areas seeing the heaviest and most frequent showers, but the showers will push northeastwards, tending to fade as they do. And so for many eastern and northern areas, it's a bright afternoon with some sunshine, although there'll be persistent rain and strong winds for the likes of Shetland. Then the next area of rain starts to push in. That's going to arrive into the southwest during the late afternoon, early evening period. It spreads across the UK, this deep low bringing coastal gales to the southwest, and then the wet and windy weather during Thursday, increasingly focused once again towards the northeast where it tends to stall. And it's really around the middle part of Thursday. You can see those isobars squeezing together as the low comes up against the high, and as a result, some very windy conditions for the Northern Isles and Shetland in particular, gales or severe gales on Thursday with heavy rain as well. Rain clearing other northern parts of the UK through the day, replaced by showers, and the showers coming in at a feral pace from the southwest and west. But in between the showers, there will be some brighter skies, in fact, a better chance of some sunshine coming through. And in the east, mostly dry with that sunshine, but the showers mostly affecting western areas. 13 or 14 once again in the south, 12 Celsius further north. Not feeling pleasant at all in the far north of Scotland with those very strong winds, which could be a little further south depending on the track of that low. Now into Thursday night and Friday, we'll see that weather front disappear. Another front comes along to bring some showers, but really Friday just looks like a sunshine and showers kind of day with, for many places, fewer showers and a better chance of sunshine, particularly across central and eastern parts of the country. Western Scotland, Northern Ireland and Western England and Wales seeing the brunt of the showers. And even here, in between the showers, there will be some sunshine. But temperatures will be a touch lower, so we're back to around average for Friday. 12 degrees in the south, 9 or 10 further north, and less windy for many compared with recent days, although still the strongest winds expected across Shetland. Friday night then sees calming down of the weather for a time, a brief ridge of high pressure, but the next low queues up in the Atlantic. Again, a strong jet stream carrying this one towards the UK, and that will bring another spell of wind and rain during Saturday, coming in from the west after a dry start, followed by showers for Sunday. So the weather, again, chopping and changing this week, but temperatures on the whole will be trending downwards.